Today I want us to look at on how to construct a simple rectifier circuit where we'll be using our 240 voltage transformer to be our output voltage to change it from 240 to 12 voltage, and then we'll be using our amplifier, just a simple amplifier which needs a 12 voltage input for it to work. Then for the construction, we need to have a resistor, which is here, with color coding red, yellow, red and silver. Then we have a capacitor which is rated to be 35 voltage. We have our diodes, which we'll be using to make the circuit, the rectifier circuit. We have 4 types of diodes, which are 4. And then we'll be using this a socket which will be used to input the voltage to this amplifier after the voltage is being rectified. Then we have our 240 power supply socket, which will be using for us to get the power for the use. Then we'll be using these wires just to make the circuit looking at least fair for us to learn something or to add up on what we know. So let's start. Now we'll be starting by just trying to making the rectifier using these 4 diodes. So the diodes usually have it have some lines which will be used to show or to direct on how it can work better. So you have this diode and another one here. So for the first time, you need to construct the bridge from the word go. As you start, you make a bridge where you make sure the bridge output or the diode, it is directed towards the voltage moves from this point to this point by using this line, which can show you the direction. And then for this one, make sure it's like the power is from this point to this point, because we have that line at this point here. Then now you join these 2 points. You join just simple, not a big deal, like just very simple. You rotate it with a plus. And then this is the first one. And then you need to do the same thing to the other 2 diodes. You make the same thing. You join them like this one. Just very simple. You join this one. Then so we have these two diodes connected together. And then now you need to join them so that this one, the one that had with the output that moves to this other side of the diode, and the same to this point, you join these 2 points. You make sure join pamoja, inakuja hapa like zinatoa voltage output, inatoka kuja hii ya kuingisha na hii ya kuingisha zinachukua mahali pamoja, alafu unajoinisha sasa. Hizi za kuingiza inaingisha na inaingisha, unazijoinisha pamoja, and then you just twist at this point. Then after doing this, you can now having the circuit looking like this one. And then now from this point, you have to join a resistor, because here is the input. Then we have this resistor. Now the resistor unafanya like inaonekana hii silver ndio inaweza kukuonyesha mahali inafaa moto inaingia hii side, inatoka kwa hiyo line ya silver. So una join these 2 points hapa, una make sure imeshika vizuri kabisa, so that isikuje kupata tashwishi kidogo. Alafu kimaliza, you have the circuit like this one. And then now unatumika tu a simple wire like this one. Una make a small circuit, or let's use this one. Unajoinisha hii point, this point, alafu na hii unafunga, just a simple thing. Unajoinisha tu, unaingisha hapa ndani, alafu unafunga na hii side nyingine, so that zina join pamoja, because unataka kusmoothen the input supply and the output supply. And then you have the simple circuit like this one. And then after making this circuit like this one, now we want us to join it from the power from the transformer, and then also to get out our output power supply, which we can join it and input it to this simple circuit amplifier. So we can start with this one. We join these two, this simple input socket to the rectifier. You join this one at this point, at this side. You join like this one, and then for this other one you join at this point. And then now in this transformer we have a 12 output supply and a 12 output, and then the negative terminal, and then this one's for the 240 voltage input supply. Then we want us to use these 2 points. You can use this one and this one. So we have our circuit, which you can be used as a input supply. You join this one at this point, and this one you join at the other end. Join like this one, and then now you have a circuit which looks like this one. And then after this you have to join the power supply to the circuit. You can join this one. This one can assist us to give the input supply to this transformer. Join like this one, and then after joining like this one, now you can use this one as the rectified power supply. Then you input it at this point where the socket and the amplifier is being inputted with the 12 voltage supply. And then you join the speaker like this one, and then now you have this as a circuit. And then now let's make the output on, so that we can test our rectifier if it's working. You switch on the power supply, switch on the radio, have the amplifier, and then you can have the power. Now you can see this our supply is working. You can just see the rectifier with one resistor, then the input supply which is rectified, then we have a 240 voltage supply which comes from this point. These are 240 voltage power supply comes, and then there's the transformer, and after the transformer we have the output supply to the rectifier, and to our bridge now we constructed. Then we have the power output. This output gives out our supply to be 12, which is now smoothened. Then you give into the 12 voltage amplifier, and that's our circuit for today.